C.S. Lewis was born on the 29th of November, 1898, in Belfast, Northern Ireland. As a child, Lewis was an eager reader and skillful writer with a great imagination. His works for adults include science fiction and poetry, but he is probably best known for his children's books. His most famous work, still popular today, is The Chronicles of Narnia. Pablo Picasso is the 20th century's most famous painter. He was born in 1881 in Malaga, Spain. Picasso's father was also a painter, and by the time the young Pablo was 13, he was an excellent artist. Picasso is famous for his paintings, but he was also a sculptor and a poet. His most well-known painting is Guernica,